Good day, sir, madam. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Marites Marmito. I'm 36 years old. I'm single from Mindanao, Philippines. I took my bachelor's degree at University of Mindanao, Davao City for 4 years. I have working experience as a domestic helper for 6 years in Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, and Taiwan. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, gardening, washing the car, and cooking. I know how to cook simple Arabic food, Asian, and Chinese dishes. And also I have experience in taking care of elderly, a 91 years old stroke patient grandpa and wheelchair bound. In addition, I have experience also in taking care of kids and they are my nephews ages 2 and 7 years old. I consider myself as a hardworking person and trustworthy. Sir, madam, if you choose me to be part of your family, I will assure you to do my best to fulfill my duties and responsibilities. Thank you very much and God bless.